Shaper is a handheld robotics company. We like to call ourselves a human-in-the-loop robotics company. And our first product, Shaper Origin, just started shipping to customers about 3 or 4 months ago. And so Shaper Origin is a handheld CNC. And for listeners who aren't familiar with CNC or computer numerical control, CNC machines are what you can imagine a company like IKEA might use to mass produce furniture. So they can range anywhere from desktop size for several $1,000s to the size of a warehouse, basically, going up to millions of dollars. And the way a CNC machine works is you say, I want to cut X design, you throw in some sheet material, normally plywood, and you pre-program all the paths that a cutting bit is going to take, and it moves around and cuts out this material. So CNC machining is basically the opposite of 3D printing. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing technology. CNC machining is a subtractive technology. You start with the material, you cut stuff away until you have the solid item that you want in the right shape.